So today we're going to show you the Didymos DidyKlick carrier. This is a hybrid between a wrap conversion and a soft structured buckle carrier, highly adjustable. It can be used from newborn through toddlerhood. You're going to get a lot of mileage out of this carrier. The fabric is beautiful. It's made out of a woven wrap, so it's going to have a nice amount of support for you and baby, and it's a totally different feel than any of the other carriers that we typically show. This is going to be in the Aomi colorway. So the first thing to note is it has a highly adjustable waistband. So inside you can make this panel really big so it can fit like a 40+ pound toddler, or you can make it really small for a newborn. We have a 3-month-old, so we're not even going to need it on the smallest setting, but I'm going to make the seat quite a bit smaller. And then what you're going to do is you're going to have the outside of the carrier facing away from you, and you're going to wrap the fabric down once, so it's like an apron. You're then going to come through and buckle. And this carrier retails for about $184 US. This is the portion of it that makes it a hybrid wrap conversion style carrier because it has these wonderful wrap straps, which are going to give you a really nice custom feel. It can be worn with baby facing into you, away, on your hip, on your back. Again, very, very adjustable. What I like to do with these long panels of fabric is I like to tuck them into the waist so that they're not dragging on the floor. And then I'm going to grab my baby, and today we have 3-month-old Brennan, who is the best little model. He's doing so good. So I'm just going to seat him nicely on me. So baby's going to go into the carrier like so. And I'm going to place one strap over and another strap over. I'm then going to untuck the fabric like so and like so. I'm just going to make sure baby's nice and seated. And I'm going to reach around and back. I'm going to pull the fabric towards me. And on this side, I'm going to do the same. At this point, I know that I want to just make sure baby's nice and centered. And I'm going to cross the straps under baby and under their legs, and I can tie it back. You can also bring the fabric around to tie in front. That's personal preference. And as you can see, baby's in a nice seated position, and they have plenty of room to grow in this carrier. This isn't even on the smallest panel setting, but it can go smaller and it can go a lot bigger. I'm just going to pull the straps over my shoulders. And this for me is just a comfort feel. And you're good to go. Brennan's still too small for any of the other positions. If you were going to be using the carrier in a back carry, baby should be closer to 6 months old, sitting unassisted, and have really good head and neck control. Baby right now is going to be spending most of their days just curled up onto you like so. Brennan's napping, and that's just the way we like our little newborn babies. So to get the carrier off, all you're going to do is have one hand on baby. You're going to come around and back. It's really important that you're going to start by untying and not unbuckling. Unbuckling is the last thing you're going to do. And then you do. So you grab baby and you're good to go.